Hi children. Now we are going to learn about conversion of length. We already seen about centimeter, meter and kilometers. Now measuring units of length. Centimeter can be represented as cm, meter can be represented as m, kilometer can be represented as km. Now, see here children, centimeter, meter, kilometer. If you want to convert the units, that means if you want to convert kilometer to meter or meter to centimeter, that is from down to up. If you want to convert the units from down to up, we have to add the zeros to right. We have to add zeros to the right side. In the same way, centimeter, meter, kilometer, if you want to convert the units from up to down, that is from centimeter to meter or meter to kilometer, we have to use simplification method. For example, the length of a cloth is 5 meters. How many centimeters is that? Here, the length of the cloth is 5 meter. We have to convert it to the centimeter. This we have to convert from meter to centimeter. See here children, meter to centimeter. Meter is down, centimeter is up. So if you want to convert from down to up, we have to add zeros to the right. The length of the cloth is 5 meters. How many centimeters is that? 1 meter equal 100 centimeter. This we already know. 1 meter equal 100 centimeter. So 5 meter, in question they have given 5 meters. So we have written 5 meter equal to 5 into 100 centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. So 5 meter equal to 5 into 100 centimeter. That is 5 into 100 is 500 centimeter. So the length of the cloth is 5 meter is equal to 500 centimeter. To convert meters into centimeters, add 2 zeros to the right. See here, why are we adding 2 zeros to the right? Because 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. In 100 we have 2 zeros. So we are adding 2 zeros to the right. That is 5 meter equals 500 centimeter. The length of a hall is 400 centimeter long. How many meters is that? The length of the hall is 400 centimeter long. How many meters is that? See here children, we have to convert from centimeter to meter. In question they have given 400 centimeter. It should be converted to meter. Now centimeter is in up, meter is in down. If you want to convert from up to down means we have to use simplification method. See here, 100 centimeter equal 1 meter. 100 centimeter equals 1 meter. So in question they have given 400 centimeter. 400 centimeter equals 400 divided by 100. 400 divided by 100 meters, because 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. So we are dividing by 100. 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. So we are dividing by 100. 400 divided by 100 meters. 400 divided by 100 meter is 4 meter. So 400 centimeter equals 4 meter. 400 centimeter equals 4 meters. The length can be added or subtracted as like a number, but that should have has same units. See here children, we can add or subtract. We can do anything. The units can be added or subtracted, but it should have same units. For example, 2 centimeter plus 4 centimeter equals 6 centimeter. This we can add. 2 plus 4 is 6. We know that. But see here the units. Centimeter, here also centimeter. So 2 centimeter plus 4 centimeter equals 6 centimeter. Units should be same. Then only we can add. Now see here, 5 meter plus 80 meter equals 85 meter. Here also the units are same. So we are adding. Now 134 kilometer plus 20 kilometer equals 154 kilometer. 134 kilometer plus 20 kilometer equals 154 kilometer. Here we are adding because the units are same. Here also we have kilometer. In 20 also we have kilometers. So kilometer plus kilometer we can add. The length cannot be added or subtracted when the units are different. See here, we should not add or subtract the numbers when it has different units. See here, for example, 2 meter and 5 kilometer cannot be added because in 2 we have meter and 5 it is a kilometer. This we should not add. The same way, 5 centimeter and 4 meter cannot be added because it is a centimeter and this is a meter. If we have same units, we can add. If you don't have same units, we should not add. For example, the distance from my home to school is 3 kilometer 200 meter. How many meters is that? See here children, here we have to convert kilometer to meters. We have to convert kilometers to meters. Listen carefully. Kilometer is down, meter is up. So if you want to convert from down to up means we have to add zeros to the right. 1 kilometer equals 1000 meters. 1 kilometer equals 1000 meters. See here in question they have given 3 kilometer 200 meter. 3 kilometer and 200 meter, that is equals 3 kilometer plus 200 meter we can write, but we should not add because the units are different. We can separate and write like this, but you should not add. 3 kilometer plus 200 meters. Now we have to convert kilometer to meter. So 3 kilometer can be written as 3 into 1000 meter because 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter, 3 kilometer equal to 3 into 1000 meter. So we are writing 3 into 1000 meter plus 200 meters. 3 into 1000 is 3000 meters. 3 into 1000 meter, 3000 meter plus this 200 meter, it came as it is. Now see here the units are same. Here also 3000 meter, here also 200 meter. Meters and meters can be added. So the answer is 3000 meter plus 200 meter is 3200 meters. So 3 kilometer 200 meter can be written as 3200 meters. Like this only we have to convert kilometers to meters. The shop is 3462 meters away from my house. Write the distance in kilometers. See here children, the shop's distance is given in meters. We have to convert it to the kilometers. So meter is up, kilometer is in down. If you want to convert from up to down means we have to use simplification method. 1000 meter equals 1 kilometer. 1000 meter equals 1 kilometer. In question they have given 3462 meter. In question they have given 3462 meter. That is equals. That we can separate and write. See here children. The meters we can separate and write 3000 meter plus 462 meters. 3462 can be written as 3000 plus 462. We are going to simplify 3000 divided by 1000 kilometer plus 462 meters. See here why we are dividing by 1000? Because 1000 meter equals 1 kilometer. So only we are dividing by 1000. So 3000 divided by 1000. 3000 divided by 1000 is 3 kilometers. So 3 kilometers plus this 462 meters that came as it is. So 3 kilometers plus 462 meters. See the units carefully. It is kilometer. This is meter. So we should not add these two numbers. So we can write as it is. 3 kilometer 462 meters. This is the answer for this sum. Thank you.